Few days after this man published his book, BBC is set to release a documentary. Is it a coincidence? No, it is not a coincidence. It is scripted. Yes, it is scripted. Okay, now, the problem I have now, if maybe it was going to be Netflix that will be premiering it or any other distant, fine, I'm okay. Okay, but the fact that it is BBC that will be premiering this film or movie or whatever, I have a problem with that. Because BBC lacks the morality. They lack the morality to do that. Because they were the ones that suppressed the news of Biafra genocide during the 1966-1970 British-sponsored war. BBC was the one who refused to let the world know the truth about what was happening in Biafra land, in Igbo land, in 1967 to 1970. So they lack the morality to publish a movie or a film that has to do with the Igbos or that has to do with Biafrans. They lack that morality. They lack that ability to tell our own story. It is wrong. They lack the ability to do so and the morality to do so. Why the British sponsored that war? Because they made sure that that war was inevitable. Because of their interest in Igbo's oil, because of their interest in Biafra's oil. The Britain made sure that that war was inevitable. And the BBC was used to conceal truth, to ensure that the people, the world, those who were willing to support, they don't come in. They were able to sell it to the world that the Igbos were the cause of the problem. Or that what the Igbos were going through, or the Biafrans were going through, that they deserve it. It was BBC that was used to peddle this. It was BBC that was used for all this propaganda and lies, all this hate. So BBC premiering a Biafra movie few days after Gowon published a book is a scripted and a doctored account. And coupled to the fact that a Yoruba man is the one that directed it. And of course, we know that they have been the one pushing the narrative about this war, pinning it on the Igbos. And the circumstances that led to the war, even the coup, it has been the Yorubas. So at this point, that movie has to be boycotted. Every Igbo, every Biafran, every lover of good, every person of goodwill have to boycott that documentary by BBC. All the atrocities that Britain has committed in Nigeria, in Igbo land, in Africa, they have not paid for it. They have not apologized for it. In 1967, Francis Akanebian, who happened to be a medical, he was a medical doctor and also a missionary. Okay, he was a knight. He returned. He renounced his knightship. He returned it to the Britain as a form of protest against Britain for sponsoring Nigeria in the genocidal war against the Igbos. In 1968, one of the greatest boxing champions of all times, Dick Tiger, known as Dick Tiger, Richard Ihetu, in 1968 May, returned his medal as the commander of the Order of the British Empire. He returned it in 1968 as a form of protest against the British for sponsoring Nigeria in the war. In May 29, 1969, a young man called Bruce Mayrock bent himself in New York, in UN, United Nations building, in front of UN building in New York, as a form of protest against the genocide, against the Igbo genocide, against the Biafra genocide. So after all these things, BBC, who concealed all the information, who refused to tell the world the truth, has come out to say they want to publish a documentary of Biafra. You don't have that right. You lack the morality. So far, there is no reparation, no compensation, no apology for the genocide that was committed against the Igbos, and you want to publish a documentary for us. And a Yoruba man was the person who possibly directed it, just to suit the Gowon's narrative that he was asked to publish, just to cue with the Gowon's narrative. You guys are sick. You see all this indoctrination and all these lies, all this thing, it is in the past. We will no longer allow it. We cannot allow you to indoctrinate our children again. We cannot allow you to tell them lies again. We cannot allow you to deceive them again. We'll tell our own stories, our own self. Because the animals now has their historians. So the hunting story will not always justify the hunters again. Because the animals now has their historians. Trust me. So we'll tell our children, we'll tell them they will have to learn about it. We will teach them. We will teach them. Because the atrocities that Britain has committed on African soil, till date, they have not paid for it. And there is no apology they have tendered for it. So we must boycott that movie that BBC says they will be publishing on the 1st of June. They said they will be publishing it on the 1st of June. We must all boycott it. If you get this video, share it. We must boycott it.